gonna be alright. Come on, I love you, babe. Ain't nobody gonna stop us now. Get out there. Got goodness right there. Goodness. Get all that wiring harness cut off of there. Yeah. Couple motors, a motor right there. I've been putting things in that bucket right there just so that I can go through it later. Micro scrap the whole can. Still muggy as heck out here. I wish we had a breeze. Come nighttime, breeze seems to just die down to nothing. Makes it for a super muggy night. I'm just hoping, to be honest with you, that this won't take that long to do. I can get back inside and get me a shower and call it a night. Actually, I got to get a shower and make a video. So, my day is not going to be over for a while. Not for a while. Anything else back there I really need to have? Probably not. Probably not. Come on, baby. Oh, yeah, there is. That's a motor right there. Little motors. By the way, your scrapyard should have a price for these small copper bearing motors. They're not going to be the same as your regular motors. Maybe a little bit less, smaller amount of copper in there. But still worth saving. See, there's two small electric motors right there. A little bit of work. Not a lot of work, a little bit of work, literally. Okay. Hoping to see some aluminum on this thing, but the whole thing is scrap metal. Whole thing is scrap metal. Shred. What's next? Well, we're gonna get the lid off of this thing, get the drum out of there, see what's next. Generally, the top will pop right up. If it doesn't, you always get your persuader. Stick it in there and make it happen. It's like a sawzall. Eventually, you'll pull on it enough, or cut on it enough, and that sucker will come right apart. Like that, like the Yankees would say. Get off there. Just like that. All right. Sir. These washing machines are a little bit more difficult to tear apart than your standard dryer, I will say that. Like I say again, these wiring harnesses, do not throw them away with your dishwashers. I only say that because they pay better than shred metal. They pay better than shred. See if we can get this back panel off of here. Get to where I can get that drum out of there and see what it's going to take to get the goodness out of this thing. Yes, sir. Goodness everywhere. That's what I'm wanting. This whole rim I want to come out. That's what I want. I get this rim off. Some bolts on there. I see, says the blind man. All right, boy, what a pain. What a pain. What a pain. Oh, there's water in there. No wonder it's so heavy. What in the world? Oh, boy. Thing just wants to be difficult. Now, if I really want a lot of light, I can go right under that light over there. Be like daylight. Be just like daylight. If I can get this, just this even, I don't care, finished tonight, I will feel like I did something. Not that I didn't. It's been a good long day. It's been a good long day. Scrapping out goodness. Let's see. Come on, baby. I know you want that part now. You know what it is. Hammer time. Hammer time. Let's do it. I'll take the rest of it with a hammer if we have to. There we go. Look at the goodness. That thing is a beast. Lord have mercy. Well, a little bit more than I expected down there. Something's holding me in down here. It's gotta be these legs. Get these legs out of my way. I'm pretty sure that might be what's holding this thing down. But this just might be sawzall material. I grab the sawzall, tear into it. Oh yeah, come on off there. Oh, I see the front's about to pop off. Let's do that. Let's get that front off of there. Come on, baby. What is holding you on there? I'm guessing it's a clip. A clip or something. It is a clip right there. Beautiful. Look at the goodness. Look at the goodness right there. I do think, I think sawzall is going to be necessary here. Where's my sawzall? Sawzall necessary. What did I do? Did I put my sawzall in the shop already? I did. What a beast right there. That's a motor right there from heck. Oh, let's see if we can take it a little bit more down. Take her down, baby. One piece at a time if you got to. Guys, I'm guessing that I have about 1 month. I'm guessing a month. Get out of there, screw. And I should be having my 10,000 subscriber giveaway. I know I keep mentioning it because I want everybody to have a chance at winning. I just picked up my second GoPro, guys. Second GoPro, because there's going to be one GoPro 10, and I'm only trying to encourage my scrapping YouTube friends to start their own channel. I figured the hardest thing to get sometimes is a camera. Hopefully, bash that thing off there. motor box. That's a small motor. Do a little bit more micro scrapping to it. Things coming apart a little bit at a time, ain't it? Pretty much down to the barrel inside. I have my sawzall right here. That thing would just fall out of there because I could cut them 2 straps right there. Or I could just break that right there. And might just pop out of there right there like that. Yep. Break that one. That helped. Come on, there we go. Right out of there. What is holding you in there? Spring? What the heck's holding that thing now? Oh, that right there. Cut them straps. Give me my hammer back. Cut them rubber straps. 1, 2, should be 4 of them. 1, 2. Right there. 3. And 4. Now all we got left is the bottom, and yeah, it's heavy. Heavy. Whew. Nice little wiring harness. Look at there. Every time you pull one of them things off and throw it in your bucket, adds more money in your pocket. Oh boy. What takes that motor out of there? Bolts. Well, you know what? I don't feel like going into my garage and trying to pull tools out, and it is 8:09. Now, yeah, that motor shouldn't be too hard to get out. Looks like about 4 bolts, actually. Gosh. I really would love to see that thing come out tonight. Oh man, let me see. 4 bolts. If I grab the right nut driver on the first trip, and we'll take it out. Just in case, I'm gonna grab a couple. Okay, baby, come on, Grandpa. What size is it? Oh, look at that. I got the right size right off the bat. Oops. Just dropped the other one. Where'd it go? Oh, come on. There it is. It's one thing about working outside in the dark. Well, it's not necessarily dark, is it? I didn't mean to throw that in there. It goes over there. I saved every piece of metal. Oh, look at that. Look at that goodness. Wiring harnesses. I think should pop right out the side here. Look at that. My night has been successful. We did it, guys. Now this, I don't even know if it's copper or aluminum, but I do know that it's an electric motor, so more money. How did I do? My name is Sue. Oh, there, I successfully finished my night. Got everything I wanted to do. I just went out today, bought a brand new GoPro 10, and I already have one GoPro 10. The first one I bought a while back for my 10,000 subscriber giveaway. My second one I bought today is going to be for my members only. So if you're a member on my channel, however members I have when I do my 10,000 subscriber giveaway, you'll have a chance at winning. So if it's 10 members and 10 members are on my live video, because you have to be there. If 10 of my members are on my live video the day we give the prizes away, you will be included in the giveaway for the GoPro. It's muggy. I'm gonna go inside, put these 3 things in. I'm gonna go inside. I'll straighten out my trailer just a little bit more before I go pick up that stuff tomorrow. But yeah, if you want to know what's next, you know the deal. Like, subscribe, ring that bell so you're notified next time I put out a video. You are going to want to be there for my 10,000 subscriber giveaway, because it's going to be epic. I've asked a couple people, anybody who's seen my other video, who likes NASCAR memorabilia. I have so much NASCAR memorabilia. I'm basically trying to get rid of some of it now. So I decided I'm going to get rid of it to some of my subscribers. It's taking up space around my house. I used to have a china cabinet that I kept my NASCAR stuff in and my baseball stuff in. Over the years, I've been etched out by my wife. Taking up my space, and now my stuff is in a box, and I'm not gonna save it. I'm gonna give it away. So it's gonna be the best subscriber giveaway you've ever seen. Best subscriber giveaway anybody has seen. All right, let's call it a night, guys. Thanks for watching. Ring that bell, and we'll see you on the next one. Scrabble Grandpa, what's next?